Hey guys, welcome to another video. At the end of this video, I'm going to be announcing the winner of my 4,000 subscriber junk journal giveaway, and then the second winner of the mystery box of the die cuts. I'll be announcing that at the end of this video, but for now I wanted to show off some sewing. I did some embellishments that I did for my next junk journal. And I wanted to thank you guys again for subscribing and for commenting and for participating in my giveaway. I do appreciate it, and I hope you guys appreciate the chance to win a free junk journal that you guys, can reference to and just look through or do whatever you want with it. It's yours. So yeah, so the next giveaway is going to be at 5,000 subscribers. Every 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a junk journal giveaway. So if you have not subscribed, please do, so that way you are notified. I don't know when it'll happen. Right now I'm at, I think, at 4,200 subscribers, so 5,000 is not too far away. And if you guys are interested in where to get these vintage item and floral die cuts, they are in my shop right now. They're in the form of mystery boxes, so you get a mix of vintage item and floral cutouts in the mystery boxes. There's two different kinds, and I believe I have about 15 left of each, maybe a little bit more of one of them. But I do hope you guys enjoy this type of video where I show you the little embellishments that I make before I actually decide where to put them in the junk journal. That way, if I don't make a junk journal that week, at least I have a video out of something that I've done. That'll keep me motivated to make more videos. But like I said, I do appreciate everybody who watches my videos and who comments and who supports my shop. Or if you just watch my videos and like my video, I'm happy to have your support in that form as well. You could also find, I have ephemera packs in my store, and I also have these floral cutout packs in my shop that you could just download and cut out yourself and make these little embellishments too. I cut these out using my scan and cut. If you guys would like to reference back to that video, I did do a review of it and a little how-to introductory video. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, and now I'm going to pick out the winners. Thank you guys so much. Okay, so here I'm going to be picking out the winners from Rafflecopter from the entries of the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. And the first winner for the junk journal is going to be Faye from Australia. So I will be contacting you via your email. So please make sure to check that and get back to me. And now I'm going to go ahead and pick the second winner for the mystery box, and that winner is going to be Deborah. So please go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and email you. So please make sure and check your email, and thank you guys so much for subscribing and for joining me on this giveaway. See you at the next one.
Hi, boo-boo. Give me the toy, boo-boo. Give me the toy, boo-boo. Is that your toy? Is that your special toy, boo-boo? That's your special toy, boo-boo? Okay.